Hey guys, I'm going to be real with you and tell you I've recorded this introduction for these courses way more times than I care to admit. So I'm going to be short and sweet on here because you can pop on over to the website and learn in detail what each course has to offer. The 3 courses that will be available indefinitely are a course on growing storage crops / developing some food security for your family, a course on garden planning where we'll also have kind of a live workshop that you can attend with me. Note that all of these courses will have live streams that will be launched with them, where once the content becomes available, that will be sent to you along with the live stream link that you register for. And we'll be able to connect on those live streams. You can ask questions, develop some community with others that are attending. It's going to be a great time. I'm very excited because even though these courses in general have loads of information in them, there are always questions that one is going to have that is very specific to your particular growing situation. So note that all of those courses, for the launch of them, will have those live streams attached, which will be recorded and then added to the course material so that you can reference them later. The 3rd course that we will have is a course, it's probably, what's the best way to describe it? A comprehensive guide to planting, maintaining, and harvesting your garden. All the information for them is on the website, so I encourage you to pop on over there. I know these courses have been very long awaited by many, especially myself, as teaching people how to grow their own food and rely less on the food system has always been a passion of mine and will continue to be. I think one of the neatest things, if there's any good to come out of the hardships many have had to go through over the last 2 years, it's that more and more people have realized that they cannot rely as much on our food systems. And it is incredibly important to take hold of that and to do something to provide for your family that you can control to some extent. Now, I will say, there are many times that crops fail in a garden. You are not always going to be successful in everything. Ultimately, you need to trust that the Lord is going to provide for your family. That being said, it is also wise to do what you can to provide for them. I am a mother of 4. I have a full-time job. I run the farmers market in our town. We're very active in our community. We are running all over the place for our kids' events and sports and things. Even with that, we find time to grow a huge garden. At this point, we're probably raising about 90% of our produce that we eat throughout the entire year. And that includes many of the winter months where we can't grow a garden here in Minnesota. We also raise chickens, pheasants, ducks. We have the ability to do that. Not everyone does, but in these courses as well, you'll find information on how to bulk purchase, how to support local farmers that can grow that produce for you or raise those chickens for you, where you can still put that up in your freezers for a fraction of the cost that you could if you went to the store and bought it off the shelf by the pound. Just if it's there. If it's even there. I know a lot of people are dealing with shortages all over the place. So these courses are not to make anyone nervous. I don't want anyone to feel like I have to grow this food or our family won't eat. These are practical resources that will serve your family, your household, whether you're single, married with multiple children, have a little growing space, have a lot of growing space, whether you're a seasoned gardener or you're new to gardening, there is something in these courses for everyone. And I really would encourage you to pop on over and take a look at them. There is a bundle option where if you purchase all 3 courses, you'll save $75 on the 3 of them together. So I would recommend doing that if that's something that, if you're thinking about purchasing them all at one time. Anyway, make sure you buy the bundle if you're going to buy all 3. Other than that, I think that's all I can think of right now. Again, I've recorded this so many times. I have no desire to record it again, but I wanted to make sure that I got this information out to you. I'll see you over at the website.